Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need an iPhone running iOS 14. 5 or later, signed into your Apple ID with Bluetooth and Find My turned on, this authorizes the AirTag to your account. Once you remove the plastic tab, hold the AirTag close to your iPhone. A pairing pop-up should appear automatically. Tap Connect immediately because this establishes the secure link. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts to assign a name. You're now past initial authorization and ready to configure item settings. Once connected, you'll assign the AirTag to an item or create a custom name, which helps find My organized devices. This links location history to that label. Make sure to enable Notify when left behind if you want alerts when the item is separated from you, and specify safe locations like home. If your iPhone has a U1 chip, set up precision finding. It uses direction and distance to guide you precisely. Finally, attach the AirTag securely to the object and allow any firmware updates to finish. Finish by testing. Open Find My, select the AirTag, tap Play Sound, and try Locate to verify tracking. Replace the CR2032 battery when prompted because a fresh battery prevents intermittent drops. If you need to rename or remove the AirTag, do it from Device Settings in Find My. If pairing fails, restart your iPhone. If that doesn't help, reset the AirTag by pressing the battery off and on 5 times. Then retry pairing. This simple reset fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.